Hi. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to extract an email address in a PDF document using PHP and PDF.co web API. You can see the link of the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample PDF invoice and will extract the email address in JSON format. So, let's get started. First, open the control panel and start the Apache server so we can run the program in our local machine. Next, open the Visual Studio Code editor. You can also use your favorite editor in PHP language. Then add the PHP and HTML sample code. You can see the link of the source code in the description box below. After adding the source code, save the file in a directory inside the /www or the /docs folder. Now, let's run the program. On your browser, type localhost, your folder name, your HTML file. For authentication key, add your API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. For the input file field, add your source file PDF. For the input template field, enter your template contains the extracted email address. You can create a template using the PDF.co document parser template editor. Check out the link in the description box below. And click the Proceed button to send a request. The PDF.co process our request successfully, and return a URL with extracted email address. Kindly click the resulting URL to view the output. Here's the output with extracted email address in JSON format. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. Or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.